Hi, my name is Chris Walker. I can help you produce sun-protective clothing here in Vietnam. Follow me to learn more about the debate between sunscreen and protective clothing to reduce skin cancer around the world. How do pathologists identify cancerous cells, abnormal cells?
So when they get the specimen tissue, it goes into formaldehyde, and then they take that and then they freeze it and then they slice it. They slice the tissue very thinly and they put it on slides. Then they look at it under the microscope and they're able to look at the cellular architecture. So it's like, how is the cell kind of, how are all the structures in the cell sitting? And then also they look at certain things to see if they're the normal size. So if you have the nucleus that's really large and irregular, or if you see some cellular division that shouldn't be happening. There's certain patterns that they recognize. I'm not well educated in the pathology part. I'm more like on the front line of identifying the skin cancer, biopsying them and sending them to the pathologist. But there's guidelines of which that they follow, and they're able to identify what skin cancers look like underneath the microscope.
Thanks for listening to the end. Contact me if you want to learn more about producing sun-protective clothing here in Vietnam. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.